Hello everyone, welcome you on my channel Code with JJ. Hope you all are well. So let's start this video. So in this video we will first discuss about the offers offered by Cognizant. Then we will discuss the roadmap for these offers. After that we will discuss about the preparation. Let's first discuss about the offers offered by Cognizant. So there are two offers offered by Cognizant. First is of Gen-C, in which you will get the offer of 4,50,500 rupees per annum, and in probation period, which is of first 6 months, you will get 4,01,986. And the second offer, which is of Gen-C Next, in which you will get the offer of 6,75,942 rupees per annum. So these are two offers offered by Cognizant. And guys, at this point I would like to discuss few things. First of all, at this time I have seen a lot of companies are only giving the internship offers, not FTE. FTE means full-time employment. So this is a very good opportunity for you. And second thing is that in Cognizant there is no bond. But one thing to be noted is every month a certain amount will be deducted as a part of gratuity will be given after the completion of 5 years. So if you leave Cogni within 5 years, then you will not get the gratuity amount. Now let's talk about the selection process. So first there is a round 1, which is the main paper, and we will discuss about the preparation of that paper in this video later. Now students who have cleared this round, which is round 1, will get filtered. Top 10 to 20% students will get a chance to appear for round 2, which is of Gen-C Next paper, which we will discuss in another video. And rest of the students who have cleared the round 1 but not in top 10 to 20% student will be eligible for Gen-C interview. Now students who have cleared the round 2 will get the interview call for Gen-C Next interview, and if they cleared the interview round, then they will be selected for Gen-C Next profile. And students who aren't able to clear the round 2, which is of Gen-C Next, then they will be forwarded to Gen-C interview. And guys, if you want me to make a video on interview preparation for Gen-C and Gen-C Next, then do comment below, let me know. I will surely make a video on these. So now let's talk about the preparation for round 1 that will be held on this Sunday on MCAT. Paper pattern for round 1. So it contains 6 sections. First is your logical reasoning, in which you have given 25 questions in 35 minutes. Second is the quantitative aptitude, in which you have to solve 24 questions in the time duration of 35 minutes. Third is the writing section. Previously it was verbal section, now it is changed to writing section, in which they have given you a topic and you have to write an essay on that topic. And you have 30 minutes for it. Fourth is code debugging section, in which you have given the 7 questions which you have to do in 20 minutes. After that we have a coding section 1 and 2. In coding section 1 you have given 1 to 2 coding questions of difficulty level easy to medium level, and in coding section 2 you have given a 1 question of difficulty level medium to hard, which you have to solve in 30 minutes. So total you have 59 to 60 questions which you have to do in 180 minutes. Now let's talk about the first section, that is logical reasoning. So in logical reasoning there are several subtopics like number series, puzzles, situation, seating arrangement, odd one out, blood relation and data arrangements. So they are the subtopics, so you have to prepare all these subtopics, and I will also tell you from where you have to prepare these subtopics later in this video. So at this time take the screenshot of all these topics. I will tell you later from where you have to prepare these topics. Now let's move to the second section, which is quantitative aptitude. So in quantitative aptitude there are subtopics like time and work, average, profit and loss, speed, time and distance, percentages, ratio and proportion, permutation and combination, probability, logarithms and geometry. So these are the subtopics that were asked in quantitative aptitude. So do take the screenshot of all these topics. Next section is code debugging section. So in code debugging section we have the automata fix, in which 2 types of errors are there. First is a logical error and second is the compilation error, like boundary value condition or correct the syntax. So you just have to correct the errors and submit the answer. Now let's talk about the sites for preparation. So for practice a lot of free sites are there. Personally, I choose IndiaBix and FreshersWorld.com as they have a large number of aptitude questions on each subtopic with proper explanation. And guys, remember one thing: when you are solving any section apart from coding 1 and 2, please keep in mind that for solving each question you have on an average 1.5 minute per question. So when you are practicing this question, and if you stuck at any subtopic, then do watch the YouTube video on that subtopic or on that questions. Don't waste more time on that. So I personally choose Career Right videos as they provide a great explanation on each subtopic. Or in coding 1, there are 1 to 2 questions from easy to medium level, and in coding 2 section we have given a 1 question from medium to hard level. For each section you have given the 30 minutes. So coding is a vast area. All you can do is revise the few important topics and do practice the question which are previously asked by Cognizant. So few important topics are arrays, strings, linked list, trees, and dynamic programming. And for coding preparation you can solve the previously asked questions by Cognizant. So go to the Cognizant archive of GFG where you will find all the previously asked questions by Cognizant. In the last, there is a bonus which is free Cognizant mock test papers. So guys, freshersnow.com will give you 5 free mock test papers on Cognizant. So guys, do practice all this mock test paper for better result. And guys, if you have any doubt, any question, do comment below. And guys, do like and subscribe for more videos on interview preparation. Thanks for watching.